another update of gold. So we will make some top-down analysis for the gold or forecast for this month, or maybe until next quarter. Okay. Since this is the higher time for the gold, and the last highest price on month of May is this one, same level of the previous highest price for the gold, and then make some massive rejection. Prices massively went down, and then again, this is the recent with the market close on Friday. This is the uh, long bearish candle, which is, as you can see, this rejection of that week. This is the bullish. Since the price upon hitting the fair value or the equilibrium, the price tend to move massively upward until this level. So as you can see, guys, this is the level of consolidation. This is the weekly consolidation of this metal here, and this one is the extension of the range, expansion of the range. So this is the whipsaw movement of the weekly. So this is stop hunting, no? Grabbing liquidity ups and down. So if you will ask, Macnick, is the right time to invest gold? No, as long as this will not be neutralized and find a stable position for upward movements for long term, and that's the time that Macnick will see that. It's about time. Okay, since the daily, as you can see, this is the weekly expansion of the range. Where in the daily, almost 90 degrees with the prices, as I've said, it tends to stop back to the point of interest. Okay, is it the, what is this one from this level? If we will make some Fibonacci here, that one level, the price is perfectly at 61.8. This is the 61 point below. That is the ideal POI, but I think it's not yet, because this level from here, from this thick demand until here, is this is the overall and the higher point of interest, and prices may tend to drop deeper until such time that this price will make some major reversal, okay, for the daily. So what will happen next for the next week? Okay, next will give some analysis for the next week. We will check the, once upon opening of the market, maybe if there's a market gap, or if you will follow the trend, currently still on the higher time frame momentum of the bullishness, but the sellers will not allow that this will continue. So that's why when the price last week reached on that level, again sellers massively push the prices back downward, and then here at the fair value, buyers will not allow. But I think on Monday, prices will still continue to drop, maybe until this level, this one, 1897. Then after that level, if we will try to make some 4 hours. Okay, in 4 hours on Monday, I will set you some idea that this is the point of, this is the huge level of support. Wherein if you want to make some advanced forecast, if what will be the ideal POI. So I will give you the side that these prices may tend to drop until that level here, or even 50% of this level, this one. What will be the scenario? If 30%, what will be the lowest? Okay, I will move this one. We will check the 15 minutes. Maybe yeah. So that is the lowest price of the last week. So if this one this one is the order block of this level, and these prices may tend to drop until 15% maybe, or that level of the order block. And then if you find a stable bullish entry candle like bullish harami or W pattern or hammer type, then engage and buy, and then your stop loss or your take profit 4 hours will be, your first take profit is here 1932.89. Make some two orders, and then this is your second tapping. So first take profit 1932.89 and 1941.83. So once you find a strong level of support, then your stop loss will be here, that level 1989.97 or 1990. Okay, that's your stop loss, and then that's your TP for Monday. That's for short term 4 hours bias. And in the long term, if you will ask me, we will wait that the prices will stable, because I know that it will drop, and if it will drop, prices may tend to, you have to watch out for this level here. And if this price will be broken, the next potential level is this one, that level. This is the strong level of support. After breaking this one, will be the next target of this metal. Since contrary to the perception that gold is the hedge of the inflation, but there is something happened, something reason why the gold fails to be the offset of the inflation, still on the whipsaw movements. But I think later, upon a stable, finding stable POI, point of interest, maybe in the future this prices will make a new higher high. But this is not the right time that you have to make some conclusion that this is the right time to buy gold. Wait for this gold, that this, even this, if the prices can establish strong level of buy indication, or here this level or 50% of this, we will wait then before we will engage. I will engage massively, buy or invest in this metal once this level will be revisited, or 50% of this. So that's a forecast for next for the gold. But on the midterm, you can trade it with the whipsaw movements, extension of the range by buy low, sell high, or buy high, sell low. So that's next analysis for this metal. I cannot give some advanced signals, but for in the short term I can give you. So that's my bonus for that, and it's your discretion if you will concur with my analysis. Make this as your reference. Okay, thank you, and trade safely.